In this lesson, we're going to talk about fair share using place value blocks. The first thing to do when you're dividing a 3-digit number by a 1-digit number is to look at the total, or the dividend. Our total, our dividend, is 342. So we're going to go ahead and build this number using place value blocks. We have, and I'm going to organize this into hundreds, tens, and ones. I'm going to organize it into a place value chart just to keep things neat and organized. So I have 3 hundreds. I have 4 tens. And I have 2 ones. And altogether these place value blocks add up to 342. The next thing I look at is my divisor. My divisor is 3. That tells me the number of groups that I'm splitting this 342 equally into. So I'm going to give myself plenty of space, and I'm going to make a box with 3 groups, okay? Because my divisor 3 tells me to do that. Now I'm actually going to start with my fair share. So I'm going to start in the unit of greatest value, which is the hundreds place right now. And I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to distribute my 3 hundreds across my 3 groups. I know that I have enough hundreds for each of the groups, so I'm going to cross that out and go ahead and move it over in this group. Move this 100 here, and move this 100 here. So I've passed out 3 hundreds. And now, as you can see, I don't have any more hundreds in my hundreds column. So I'm going to move over to tens. I have 4 tens, or 40, and I'm splitting this across 3 groups. So I'm going to go ahead and cross out and go ahead and put in. This is me distributing or dividing. As you can see, I have this 110 left. If I put this 10 over here in this first group, then it's not going to be equal because I don't have enough tens for each group to have 2 tens. So I have a couple options. One, I can regroup that into 10 ones. So let's go ahead and do that. I know that if I regroup, and we call this shade and trade, I could show that that is actually becoming 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 110 is the same as 10 ones. So I didn't change the value. I just changed the unit. I broke up that 10 into 10 ones. So now I have 12 ones. You can see right here, I have 12 ones. And now is the part where I really have to start thinking. I have 12 ones, and I'm dividing them across 3 groups. So for a lot of students, they might think of 12 divided by 3. And this is a fast fact that they are required to know. 12 divided by 3 is 4. So if I have 12 ones split evenly across 3 groups, that's going to be 4 ones. I could go ahead and cross out and put in every single one, or I could trust my fast facts and know 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 ones are going to be in every single group. Now, in order to find my quotient, which is the ultimate goal right here, I need to look into one group because the dividend tells us the total, the divisor tells us the number of groups, the quotient tells us the number in each group. So if we look at one group, I have 100, 110, and 4 ones, so that's 114 in that group. I have 114 in this group and 114 in this group. So in each group there are 114. That is my quotient. If I wanted to check this up, I could multiply 114 by 3 or add 114 plus 114 plus 114, and that should equal my dividend.